Yeah. Yeah, she's insane. She's insane. She was on one in all her parts. She was on one. Look at Mimi in the back. I see you. And hold on. Wait till she comes front and center. If I can lose my fucking shit. God. Fuck me up, ma'am. Mama Bird, you're insane. You're insane. You're insane. Do you need your feathers taken care of? Something. I don't know. Alright, so we're about to check out LOONA and their performance of Shake It on Queendom. But mind you, I've already seen it. So here's the thing, right? This isn't a first time reaction. This is my first time rewatching it. So someone commented that they miss me rewinding and like looking back at parts, right? I also miss that. I miss that, which is one of the reasons that I don't benefit from the ability to do that, because I react to it as it's airing. So I wake up at 8:20 for me, and that's literally when the episode starts, and I've done that for all the episodes so far. I did react to this episode, which was the first half of the round of the song swaps, and I saw LOONA perform this, but I was not able to go back and experience everything properly. They did do amazingly. Obviously, I did take it in, I did experience it, and they killed it, but there's obviously things I have not been able to see properly, I guess I'd say, because I haven't been able to go back and check them out like I normally would. So that's essentially what it's gonna be. If ever a performance impacts me, I'll probably just do this. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna do this every week. I see myself probably wanting to do this for LOONA every week though. I know how I function. Now, we gonna pick our color. We don't know who we gonna go with today. We've had Genzo, we've had Lippy. What haven't we done? Let's go with Twitty, because she looked amazing. Twinning, by the way. I swear to God, there's no way Hyoding did not like see her on stage and saw a double and like, wait, Bora's actually here. This is gonna be fun. I got to experience the performance again. And as I told y'all, this isn't a first time reaction. This is a rewatch. I don't care. I want to do it. It's fucking LOONA. LOONA-dom is in full force, full swing. And I'm ready for this. Well, let's check it out. Oh! Again, nothing happened. Crisis averted. Oh shit. As I said, I am reacting to the episodes, right? So they aren't Patreon exclusive. If you go to my channel, you'll see the intro and outro like I do for normal videos on there, and all the episodes are on the channel. It's just that for the reaction portion of the full episode, you click on a link. So you still get to see my thoughts here on Twitter. You just don't get the full episode here on Twitter. It makes on YouTube. Oops. On YouTube, you get the full episode here. You don't get the full episode here on YouTube, but you get my thoughts here on YouTube. If you go to those videos, you'll see. If you just look at my reaction, you'll see how I do it. It makes sense once you get there. Like I said, I have seen this. Now I get to watch it and rewind it. This is my first time watching it for the second time. I have not even seen clips. I've seen screenshots. I've seen even Cardi B responded to it saying I like it. Someone tweeted it out because she was releasing a song called Shake It as well. And she responded to it saying I like it, bro. This is the most orbit shit to happen. Like, this is so fucking orbit and so LOONA for that shit to happen. Let's go. Okay, I'm ready. Am I in the wrong? I think I pressed space and just making sure I didn't stop the recording. In the world, LOONA-dom. LOONA, shake the world. Now I kind of just want to like go back to parts and see them. Cause I've seen the selfies that they've taken and stuff like that they posted on Twitter. Okay, ew. Yeojin. Yo, there's this part where Yeojin looks insane, which is realistically all parts, because she always looks insane. But this part in the stage where she looks insane, I could not go back to it. And Hasul as well. Oh my god. Look at her! Empty glass? Wait, one of them had no glass. What's he cheersing? Yeah, let's grab it. They both had no glass. This the type of shit I can't see first time if I can't rewind. What kind of clownery just transpired, bro? Hold on. Y'all need to wear this. Y'all need the clown nose. Y'all need it. Hold up. I still have it on my desk just in case, because you never know when it's time to clowns in orbit. Also, I don't recognize them, but they have very idol-like looks. Are they like in a group that I don't know of, or trainees? Also, go on. Oh my god. In the backstage stuff, she looked insane. Oh my god. Also, I did actually guess this the week before that they would do Shake It. Without knowing it, I hadn't seen any previews. Just based on this background. Oh my fucking god, Johnny Jin! Yes. Yes. Everything about this Lippy, by the way. Every single thing about this Lippy. Please! Please! And Hedju! Yo, it's just so much. But now I get to pause on all these moments. That's the thing. It's just so much. I did take it in, bro. I did take it in. It's just like, now I get to pause and experience it again. Oh my gosh. It's so cute, bro. I love how they turned this into a musical. Shake it for me, shake it for me. Na, 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 na. Bro, Chwetty in this fit is ridiculous. In a suit with suspenders and everything, bro, with her hair down is insane. It's actually criminal. Criminal! And they sound amazing. Yeah. Yeah, she's insane. She's insane. She was on one in all her parts. She was on one, okay? Listen, Bora, you probably got Hyori all type of confusion. Oh, this is the part I was talking about, by the way. That's the part. I love that part, bro. And now I can rewind and experience it 4 times. I told you, I can now experience it as many times as I want. Because this Hedju is iconic. Iconic, you're an icon. The conveyor belt too. Oh, yes. Yeah, now I get to see this part again. I would have rewinded this part had I been able to in the reaction, because I didn't mention it until the end, which is very convenient, right? When she acknowledges it is when you say you noticed it. But I would probably rewind it here, because the way she reacted to when it got ripped off looked like it was like a bit of shock to her, and she admitted that that was the case at the end. But in my reaction, in my post thoughts, that part is on YouTube, I mentioned that, I think, and obviously I don't know, I'm not her, she probably won't say it, I don't know. That was maybe a bit more, less of like concern that she messed up, and maybe the fact that it could have been a wardrobe malfunction that fortunately did not happen, because apparently ripping off the coat hooked onto the strap of, I don't know, it's like the clear strap of either her bra or like the dress. And my thoughts was like, she's probably more relieved and was scared that there might be a wardrobe malfunction, which on top of being bad for the performance, more seriously is a wardrobe malfunction. And just glad it did not happen, and she was able to, she handled it like a pro, because obviously this is just such a fun theatrical performance that laughing it off like this and then going right into her thing, it just fits the whole thing. So I'm just glad nothing worse came of it. And like I said, that's just what I thought in my head was why she was more upset, more so than thinking she made a mistake, you know. She played it off like a pro, the pro that she is. I love her. Shake it. Look at Vivi in the back. I see you. And hold on, wait till she comes front and center. If I can lose my fucking shit. God, fuck me up, ma'am. Mama Bird, you're insane. You're insane. You're insane. Do you need your feathers taken care of? Something, I don't know. She's insane, bro. She looks so good in this fit and this hair like that. Look at her. Look at Mama Bear shining. Yo, Luna Dumb is in full swing, baby. I love it. Shake it. Oh, shake it. Also, this reaction won't go up until after my reaction goes live. And I won't make people wait 2 days, I'll just drop it. This rewatch, not reaction. This was insane, like how the quick outfit switches. I fucking love them! And I love how they use the whole stage. And there's this part where they're transitioning to move towards the top part. There's like a two-area stage. And they like start like clapping and shit, getting the crowd involved. Shake it, right here. Dangerous lady, Miss Hedju. Shake it for me. Shake it, shake it, shake it for me. It come in ground and I couldn't rewind on. Shake it for me, my baby. Ah, fucking love her. She said that in the ground, bro. The ground. Fuck me up. Performance from them in front of people. Yes, I see you, Eve, shining. Look at her, bro. Look at her shine. They're all shining, but look at Chetty. Look at her. Oh my God. I see you, Bora. I see you, Bora 2.0. Shake it. Oh, shake it. The part when Jody was teaching them to move. Lethal, ma'am. Lethal is all of you. You, insane. Insane. You two. Oh, two just back to back. Oh my God, I forgot that was like the end of everything. I love them, bro. That as a second rewatch had almost the effect of a first time reaction, bro. It's just that good. It's just that good. Oh my God, the Mask remix and Navilera ones are also on Queendom. I came here just to check because I hadn't seen yet. Oh my God. Ah! The official versions are on Spotify. I can thrive. Listen, yo. Obviously, I'm watching Queendom. I've said it in the videos already. I don't care who wins. I would like to see LOONA win. There's a little bit of bias inside me, but I like everyone present, you know? I'm so glad LOONA are on and get to finally perform in front of the crowd, to show what they got in front of the crowd, fully for the show and have it actually count for something. And now everyone knows that LOONA are a problem. If you didn't know, now you know. If you didn't know, now you know. Luna Dumb is in full force. We went from them not performing to everybody wanting their songs for a song swap. Literally, LOONA were their first choice for everyone. Even the legend OG, like Hyorin, their first choice. And she has their song. I have not seen any previews for next week. I beg you, don't spoil any of them for me. I don't know what Hyorin went with, and if her preview does spoil it, I haven't seen it and I want to keep it that way. So please don't tell me. But this was amazing. Like I said, it is a rewatch. It's not my first time reaction, but it felt like the first time, bro. It was just so good and such a fun performance. And LOONA being LOONA, obviously, they were talking about people probably expect them to do something more powerful because that's what LOONA are known for. Just while they have beautiful choreo, you got your butterflies and stuff. A lot of their stuff is very powerful as well. That's something that they're known for doing, including like doing boy group covers and stuff like that. But they went with something a bit more fun, theatrical feeling, and they nailed it. To me, they nailed it, and they shook the damn world. They shook Queendom. They shook Queendom. Do what you must to support the queens. Everyone on the show is like, support who you want. And like I said, I will react to whichever one I feel like reacting to, or what rewatching a second time. It feels like it'll be LOONA every week if I do it, but there might be another one. You know, there might. You don't know. But this was fun.
기가 막힌 chemistry 어느새 넌